I'm Dobrinka Chankova, professor in law from Bulgaria, Varna Free University, and I find it very, very interesting, very global. I met interesting people. I shared my ideas already with some of them, and I would strongly recommend this conference to other participants.
Hi, I'm Adina Deaku. I am currently a Klaus Topfer Sustainability Fellow at the Research Institute for Sustainability in Germany. This is actually one of the reasons why I came to this conference, to learn more, to disseminate more about my research, but also to learn more from other professionals, from other researchers, and see how might we co-create, learn from each other. It's been so far a good experience. I've learned quite a lot of things. I'm looking forward to the rest of the conference. Thank you to the organizers, and looking forward to the next one.
My name is Doug Petrocat. I'm with California Coast University, and I really enjoyed this conference. There's a lot of interesting people, a lot of interesting presentations. I highly recommend it, and I plan to come again next year.
Hello everybody, my name is Manuela Geranio and I'm a professor of finance from the University of Bergamo, Italy. My field is finance and I'm here to present a work on ETF. I found this conference through the website, and I think it's a very good opportunity to meet professionals and academics from other parts of the world and share together our research results.
Their expertise, resources, it requires a lot of money. Is around up with
Hello everybody, my name is Noraida binti Muhammad Noor and I am from Malaysia, specifically University Science Malaysia in Penang. So I think this conference has been very eye-opening, it's very helpful and it's very good, especially for a PhD student like me. We get to connect with a lot of professors, a lot of academicians. So I think I would actually recommend this for a lot of not only students but also academicians from all sort of backgrounds as well, especially on business, just like me. I get to explore and learn more on, especially about human governance, which is my field.
Hello everyone, I'm Andrea Mulyono. I'm from Kansei Gakuin University in Japan. So my impression of this research is actually much better than I expected before. When I came to this venue, I did not expect that it's going to be so big. It's not going to be like not this much of people. That's why I was quite surprised when I found out that there are lots of people from other countries, not only in Asia but also from Europe, from America, from Africa. So it's really like a very good, interesting research with very diverse field of study. So I really recommend this one to anyone.
Hello, I'm David Cooper. I'm pleased to be talking to you from this conference, which has been a very stimulating and interesting experience. It's a lot of good exchange of ideas from people from all over the world. So I very much enjoyed meeting other colleagues from Russia and Germany and Japan and China. So this has been a very stimulating experience and I recommend it to you.
Hello, my name is Gabriel Muntz. I'm an emeritus professor of law at the University of Queensland in Australia. I come to this conference almost every year, and it gets better every time I come. It enables people to publish articles in reputable journals. It broadens their intellectual horizons, and it is also fun because it is possible for people to make new friends and make friends for life. So please do come and have a good time at the next conference in Bangkok.